2012 1500. When the Dodge Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, dual front airbags, power steering, automatic stability control, cruise control, center armrest, child safety locks, fog lamps, power windows, MP3 capability, satellite radio, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, 6-passenger seating, power driver mirror, towing package, cup holders, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.